Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by actively increasing friendship to trigger the picture reward. Aim for consistent, targeted actions. Talk to the villager every visit, give gifts they visibly like, and accept or complete small favors they ask. Once done, use personalized gifts or crafting items they prefer to accelerate progress. Giving thought-out presents raises hearts faster than generic items. Make sure to vary interactions. Talk, gift, and perform tasks, because the game tracks different interaction types toward reaching the 10-heart threshold. Once you're mid-process, focus on efficient actions that stack friendship quickly. Give 3 to 5 high-value items they love, such as DIY furniture, favorite clothing, or perfect fruit. These yield larger friendship jumps. Invite them to tour your island, hold mini hangouts, and complete requests they give you, because varied interactions count. Additionally, send letters with gifts and check-in every day, combining mailed gifts, in-person chats, and successful favors reliably pushes you toward the coveted 10 hearts and the picture trigger. When you hit 10 hearts, persist by talking several times and checking the mailbox for the villager's picture. They often send it as a mailed gift or present it during conversation. If you don't receive it right away, save, close, and reload the game, then continue daily interactions. Sometimes the trigger takes a game day. As a final tip, avoid deleting storage that could block mailed items, and if progress stalls, use targeted gifts or Amiibo campsite, invites to refresh rapport, and prompt the photo reward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.